I'd like to introduce a very popular product from Hyde Park. Hyde Park manufactures ultrasonic sensors, and just as a quick overview, ultrasonics are excellent for sensing targets of almost any type whatsoever. That means liquids, paper, plastic, glass, rubber, and we treat all targets the same, which is a very distinct advantage with an ultrasonic sensor. The SM900 series includes models that are all a 30mm threaded barrel, but we have models that have either a 1-meter range or a 2-meter range in this family, or we have our little bit larger product that has a 8-meter range. These products that I show right here are available with either a switched output, an analog output, or a latching output. And a big popular use of these products is for level control, because with the latching output we can tell the pump when to turn on, when to turn off, and that's all built right into the sensor. Talking about some of the distinct features of the product, we have a plastic body, but for some applications people need a stainless body, so we offer this product in a stainless body, and we can go one step further and even give you a stainless face on the product. The back of the product features two LEDs. One is a beam status light that tells you are you in the window or out of the window that you set up, and the other one is telling you what has my output done. Does my output turn on or off? You also have a push button in the back. This is used to set your window limits. To program this sensor, we simply take the sensor and we have two LEDs. One is your beam status. It's telling you what part of the operation you're in at the moment, and the other one is your output LED. The button in the middle is what sets your near and your far limits. So to begin with, I'm going to hold this button down to program it until the light is blinking green. As soon as it's blinking green, now I'm ready to program. I'm going to take this sensor, and let's say we want to set our near limit. I'm going to hold it here, push the button the first time. Now it's seen the near limit. I'm going to go ahead and show it the far limit. Push the button a second time. Wait for it to time out. Now the sensor's done. It will turn, this light will turn green when you're in between the near and your far limit, so you're in the window of acceptance, and here's your output light, which is turning amber to show that your output is turned on because you are in the window that you created between the near and the far limit. And it has a non-volatile memory, so it'll remember everything you taught it, even if the power goes out, or if you turn the power out over the weekend and come back on a Monday, it'll remember exactly what you taught it. In conclusion, I said this is a very popular product, and just to summarize, we have sensing range all the way starting at 2 inches, all the way up to 26 feet. Our product is NEMA 4X, IP67, hose down, wash down, so we can go anywhere from a clean room to places like the food and beverage industry where they have those requirements, to places that have a lot of airborne dust or flour dough, whatever it might be, as well as the availability is excellent, and there are over 400 different model variations to choose from in this family. So give us a call if you either have an application you'd like us to help you select the right product for, or if you already know what you want, you'd simply like to place your order. Thank you.